Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
Look. Fucking people can't drive, bro. Let's go. Oh, man. Watch me whip this shit with one hand. Look. Boom. Boom. I see pedestrians. I see people going back, forward. Out of here, man. Y'all bugging the fuck out. Learn to drive, man. Shit is sad, but it's official. I don't know why this shit is so fucking packed. Sorry for my language, y'all. Wow, this shit is packed today. What's going on? All right, well, you know, we going into AutoZone. I got to return a part, right? I'll explain this again. Okay, so, what that is, a map sensor. Map sensor. Don't ever buy them at AutoZone, y'all. This shit cost me $75. $75 for this little piece map sensor. You can Google it, see how it looks. I'm not opening it up again. Put it back in the box. Yeah. I am going to return this. So anyways, I bought it because the system told me the map sensor, right? And then I ended up buying the map sensor and ended up telling me that it was because it was short, right? So I found a short. I put my old map sensor back in and it's working. So I'm getting the $75 back. I don't give a shit. Even if it does go bad, I'll go on eBay and buy it for like 20 bucks. So, you know, definitely return. I don't know why it's so packed today. This is the weirdest thing ever. This guy is illegally parked. It's not enough space, but whatever. Gotta park my shit right here. You know. Oh, look, no lie, $75, $76. I got like some change. That little ass part. You got to know that you must have a 30-day return policy on anything you buy. To tell you the truth. So you got to use that policy. It's annoying. It's hard having a phone, recording with a phone all the time. I had to get like a little video blog camera or something like that. But yeah, I get the point. Yeah, but my main concern was just telling y'all, like, yo, listen, I bought a part, right, and I thought it was gonna kill my pockets, right? I already knew it was like $100 when I told my boy, I was like, yo, bro, we gonna get this part, this little ass shit. It's gonna cost me $100. I know it. He's like, what? Ended up coming here. And it was 76, pretty much the same thing, right? So I installed it, and I got the same code. So instantly I knew. I was like, it's not this sensor. So I left it installed because it was brand new. And then what I did was I looked for the short. I found the short, and right before I turned the vehicle on, I changed the map sensor again, back to the old original one, and car turned on fine, check engine light went off, everything was good. So I already knew immediately that I could return that. So I was like, fuck it, that's $75 back in my pocket, and it's a little bit of work. But the problem is, a lot of people, you'll get a code and it says map sensor, change your map sensor, and then you're like, damn, I don't even know where the map sensor is at. And you go to the mechanic and they're like, all right, well, you know, we'll buy the map sensor, we'll put it in for you. You know, it's $250. Now, you spend $250 on a mechanic, and he finds out it's not the map sensor. Best believe he's going to return that shit and still charge you for the same map sensor, and then tell you that, yo, we found a short. That's another $200, another $100 or 2 hours of work, $80 an hour is $160. Like, that's how it works. So, I mean, I hate the process. Don't get me wrong. I hate the process of getting into trouble and then having to figure out the problem, because who wants to be in problems? But the good thing about it is that when you figure out these little fixes, like that shit was only black tape or it was heat shrink that I already had. So I wasted nothing. I technically wasted $76, but I just got it back. A couple of days later, I took my time. I could have went that same night and just got my money back. So you can't be cheap all the time. You got to be able to, you know, take some risk. You know, like Nipsey said, fuck living basic, I'm taking risk. So you got to take risk in order to live the lifestyle you want to live, guys. There's a bunch of stories, a bunch of lessons in this little combo, but I get it, man. I get it. You know. Word. Just do your own work, man. I keep on reiterating myself. Keep on, just do your work. Do your own work. I'll holla at y'all. You know, see you on the next one.